Here is the Honda Ridgeline. That's the light right over there. In order to access it, we have to first open up the tailgate. So let's go ahead, open the tailgate, and now we need to get the light out of the body, which is being held in place by two screws. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket ratchet combination to get the screws off. So let's go ahead, loosen them up one by one and get them off. The first one's off. Repeat the process for the second one and keep them both safe. Now just grab the light and pull it sideways and it'll just come right out. There you go. Now set it aside on the tailgate. Now this is a LED brake light, so we have to replace the entire unit. We cannot just replace the bulbs. In order to do that, we have to first get the light off. For that, we have to get these three connectors off. One by one, just press it over there, squeeze it using the thumb, and then pull it off. It may be a little bit hard, so be patient with this. It may take you a few seconds to get all the connectors off. And now once that it's off, just get the new unit. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. First, we'll get the connectors on. First, we'll start with the longest one, the longest wire. There are three of them. That one goes right over there by where the white lens is. Just click it in place. The shortest wire goes in the middle. And then the last one goes over here. The one with the black connector goes right there. Just click it on and that's good. Now we can put the light back in. Get the light in position and just give it a little bit of a push. That's good. Make sure the holes are lined over there. That's where the screws go in, because that's all that's holding the light in place. Yeah, hand tighten the screws in first, one by one. And now we can tighten them down using the socket ratchet combination or the screwdriver, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Thank you.